Hey guys, good evening. So in this video, we will entirely see about GATE Geomatics Engineering. So as all of you already know, this is a new paper launched by IIT Kharagpur. It is going to be there from GATE 2022. And in this particular video, what we will be talking about is one is we will talk about the syllabus. They have released a syllabus for it. And the second thing what we will talk is it is actually a good news for all those who are preparing for GATE Geomatics. We are launching a new course for GATE Geomatics, and you can pre-register for the course right away to get 75% discount. So we are launching the course in few days, that is on August 14th. We are going to launch the course. If you are pre-registering, you will get 75% discount. So I am putting the pre-registration link in the description. Go ahead and pre-register if you are writing GATE Geomatics. This course will definitely help you to prepare well for GATE Geomatics and score good marks and get a good rank. First is I'll tell you how to pre-register for the course. So you just go ahead to the link in the description. That will be the first link which I am giving in the description. So you just click on pre-register. So the actual course price will be like 10,000, and after this 75% discount, that is only for people who are pre-registering, so you will get it at 2,499. So you just type your name, and email ID. You will get a coupon code so that you can use when we launch the course. So the course will be launched on August 14. Just keep that date in mind. So you'll get the whole GATE Geomatics booster course at 2,499. And if you have any queries about it, just call us or email us. So let us jump into the syllabus, and side by side I'll also tell what we will be covering. So I'll let me type out GATE Geomatics Engineering 2022. So if you see already we have written blogs about it, you can check it out. So this link also I'm leaving it in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. All the syllabus and necessary information is out. So in this, what you have interesting is you have part A and part B. It's not like a usual paper, entire syllabus is there. So here general aptitude, so that is for 15 marks. So that is your usual syllabus. So the second thing is you have part A, that is for 55 marks. Apart from that, you have part B. In that two sections are there. So you can choose one of the sections. So that will be for your rest 30 marks. I'll just show you the syllabus as well. So if you see the syllabus here, one is your aptitude, so that also will be covered in our course. And you have engineering maths, remote sensing, GNSS and GIS. So that is your common syllabus. So in engineering maths also you don't have all those calculus, linear algebra, which is the general syllabus for many papers. So here it is more related to your surveying. So if you see here, you'll have about those theory of errors, accuracy, precision, most probable value. And apart from that, you'll have mainly on regression analysis and the different tests associated with it. So that also will be there in our courses. So, and what else is there in the common syllabus is you have remote sensing, GNSS and GIS. So all these are again interrelated. So remote sensing, I'm sure already many of you know. So I'm just briefing about it for those who are totally new to it. But if you're, I know you might already know, because if you're going to write this paper, you'll already have some interest in it. So GNSS, so that is Global Navigation Satellite System, and GIS is your Geographical Information System. So this is your common syllabus. And then you have part B, so in which you can choose any of the two sections. So one is all you will deal with maps, land surveying and aerial photogrammetry. If you see from a civil engineering point of view, this section 1 is slightly like you will know already. For example, you will already know about the maps, like how different coordinate system used in that, and in land surveying it's all about your leveling, traversing, and how you will do the trigonometric leveling, tachyometer, all those things will be there which you have studied in the surveying subject. And apart from that, even photogrammetry you would have studied little bit, and here it is little bit more in detail. So that is your part B section 1. And part B section 2, so this is more on the digital side of it, like digital image processing, image transformation, and how to enhance the image. So all those digital side you will study here. So in our courses, what we are going to do is we are going to cover general aptitude, we are going to cover the common syllabus, and we will cover only section 1. So we will cover this maps, land surveying, aerial photogrammetry, and we won't be covering part B, section 2 at this point of time. So how our course will be structured is there will be lessons, and we will also have a few tests also which will help you prepare. These lessons will be in two forms. One is you will have video lectures, and second is you will have self-read material. So with these lessons will help you cover the syllabus. If you are preparing for GATE Geomatics, so what you can do is you can go ahead and pre-register for the GATE Geomatics booster course. It is definitely going to help you, and we'll try our best to help you prepare. Similar to last year also, if you remember, we did a course for GATE Environmental Science, and a lot of students made use of it and even got very good ranks, as you might have seen. And if you have any other questions, just put it in the comment section. Okay, thank you everyone.